Welcome guys, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to make origami butterflies. This is a very nice model and you can give this on birthdays, to your friends and to your GF. So let's go to the tutorial. For this video you need origami sheet. You can use any paper you like. I am using this because I like the pattern. For this should be the butterfly pattern. Okay, so yeah, to make this you need a square sheet of paper 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. The first step is to take is blank side up and take this point and align it till there. Like this. Crease. Open this and now take this point and align it till that point. And like this, point to point, and then crease. After you complete this second step, the another step is to turn it over, and this line should align with this line, and you'll fold the page in half, crease, open the sheet and rotate it by 90 degrees and fold it in half. After you complete this step, the next step is inverse it, and then what you need to do, you'll make a balloon base like this. After you complete the balloon base, the next step is to take this point and align it till there. Crease, and now this point till there. And make a crease. After you have completed this step, the next step is to rotate it by 180 degrees, turn over the paper, and this side should align it till here. You will leave a small gap like this, and now turn over. You'll see these will be the lower wings for our butterfly. Like this. Now turn it over and do the reverse fold first, and then reverse fold again to make the head. After you complete this step, the next step is to rotate it by 90 degrees and fold it in half. Like this. And now you will make a diagonal fold from this point to until till here, this point. Okay. Like this. Turn it over, and same from this side. And crease. Open it up and you will get your butterfly. Guys, if you liked my tutorial, make sure to give a like, follow my page, subscribe if you're watching from YouTube, and these are my 3 models which I made today. Thanks for watching.